So we need to keep our relationship with Haiti on positive footing at all times, because Haiti is the closest independent black country to the United States. Don't forget that. Don't burn that bridge, because you might have to walk over it. In their constitution, that any African in the world, especially an enslaved African, if you can make it to Haiti, if you can get to Haiti, you will be considered a citizen and you will be respected and protected as a member of the Haitian people. The Haitian Revolution rolled out the red carpet for the American African brothers and sisters who were still enslaved. They did that for us 200 years ago, and we owe it to them to roll out the red carpet for us as well.